Hi everybody, welcome to tutorial number 6 of my How to Make a Basic Google Classroom series. If you are liking these videos, please subscribe. Only about 2% of people who are watching my videos are subscribing. So if you want more, please subscribe and let all your friends know to come and subscribe as well. Now, today we're going to be talking about another trick, probably the number one question I get asked of how do you make the slides so the kids can't move around the stuff in the background? Now, certain things the kids are going to be able to move around because in order for you to make them something they can click on, they have to be able to click on them, thus they are able to move around. There's nothing you can do about that. But you can lock in your background. And there's a few different ways. So today I'm going to talk about one of them. So what you're going to do is go to View. Okay, you have your open empty slide set, nothing done in it. You go to View. Click on View, and then you're going to go to Theme Builder here. Sometimes it comes up with another name. I can't think of what it is right now, but it's in the exact same spot underneath Motion. And then you get a second drop down here, second bunch of windows. So you pick the one that's there. If you go and pick this top one, every single slide is going to have that background because it's a theme. So go to the layouts, the first layout, and you've got it here. Now, the other question I get a lot is where do you get the pictures that are not copywritten and safe to use? So most of the things when you do the search from the little picture here or from insert an image in the Google search are safe to use. The other way you can go is to go to publicdomainpictures.net. Now, some of the things on here are not free, but a lot of them are. So you can go in and say, click on this one. It's going to open it up. You can give them a tip. You could tip Karen for it if you would like, but you can download them right to your computer. But it is under the public domain, so it is free. So the easiest way to grab it is to Control click or right click on it. Let's go to copy image, then go back, and you're going to paste it in with your Command V. Then you're going to resize it, okay, by pulling on these little blue squares till it fits your whole screen. Okay, that's kind of like doing a background, but you're making your own background. Okay. Now you're going to add in your furniture. I've showed you in the other videos how to add your furniture. One thing that I have done is created my own furniture file. So I can have that open on the side and just grab the things I want. So let's see, we'll grab a shelf. Copy that. Paste it in. We'll go back over here and grab a chair. Let's grab that chair. Control click. Copy. Velcro. Okay, we'll move our shelf over. Make it a little bigger. Put our chair at an appropriate size here. Right in the middle. We'll go over, I have in my, I call it my furniture warehouse. We have a carpet. Let's get that carpet. Paste that in. We're going to resize the carpet so it fits a little bit better here. Oops, let's move that back. You'll get used to clicking and rechanging. Okay, I'm going to move that over. And then we're going to send it to the back. Shift, Command, down arrow. But now it's behind the background. So we have to Shift, Command, down arrow, the background. Right, and now we've got our furniture. So now we go back out here and we have our ready-made slide and you cannot do anything to it. Isn't that awesome? Now you will add in other images and they will be clickable. All right, I hope that helped. Once again, please subscribe if you're interested in more videos, and I hope you learned something from this one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.